Hello everyone, welcome to online class. My dear students, today in this video we are going to see the question and answer of the lesson that we had completed in the previous video. Okay, glimpses of the past. So now today in this video we are going to just solve the question and answer based on the comprehension check. And in the previous 6 video in which we have tried to understand the lesson, I hope everybody has watched that lesson, and I hope that as we are going to see the comprehension check in this video based on this lesson, it will be easy for us to find out the answers. Okay, and if you have not watched those videos and you directly watch this question and answer and try to solve this question, see, it is very difficult and it will be very tough for us. Okay, so now can everybody see the page number where the title of the lesson is there, and the first point of this lesson you see the matters. Okay, so here as you see the matters, this is here you can see one picture is there, the matters, and you see some of the people are sitting there. Okay, and they are sitting there, and I think one is there singing. Okay, for example, my country, oh my countryman, let your eyes fill with tears as you recall the sacrifices of Indians martyrs. Okay, one is singing, and again 3 other persons are sitting here. You can see here. Okay, these 3 other persons are sitting here in the picture 1. So my dear students, the work is that you have to identify these 4 personalities. You have to identify these 4 personalities, and you have to write their names as Lata Mangeshkar is singing the song, and other 3 persons are there. You have to identify them and you have to write their names, and that is the first question in your comprehension check. Did everybody get what I am trying to say? Yes. Okay, so this is the first work that you have to do in comprehension check. So you can see in your page 45 comprehension check. Okay, and I showed you the question number 1, what you have to do. What it says, look at the picture 1 and recall the opening lines of the original song in Hindi. Okay, इसका जो सॉन्ग गाया गया था लता मंगेशकर के जरिए से, वही सॉन्ग का पहला लाइन आपको हिंदी में लिखना है, और वो वहाँ पे जो दिया हुआ है हमारे टेक्स्ट बुक में उसको इंग्लिश में ट्रांसलेट करके लिखा हुआ है. तो वही सॉन्ग को आपको फाइंड आउट करना है और उसका पहला लाइन्स आपको हिंदी में लिखना है. ओके, लेट अस सी हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू try to find out that song. And in the previous videos or in the beginning of the lesson, I had tried to sing that song also, if you remember. So try to find out that, and that will be your homework in this video specially. Then who is the singer here? Who is the singer there? Who is singing that song? That you have to write the name. Okay, who is singing the Lata Mangeshkar? So write the name of that. Then who else do you see in this picture? And who else do you see in this pic? So here it is. Who do you see in this picture? Who are the personalities here? First one is here standing and singing. That is what we can say Lata Mangeshkar, who is singing the song specially. That song you have to find out in Hindi and write that one, first sentence. Okay. And who are the other personalities? 3 personalities are sitting there. Okay. I hope I have told you in the first video about them, and I have named them also. So recall that, or you find out yourself and write that first question's answer. Okay, and that is your work. Okay, so that was all about the question number 1. And here question number 2, what it says, let us see. In picture 2, what do you understand by the company's superior weapons? In picture 2, what do you understand by the company's superior weapon? So here you can see here, okay, here you can see with its superior weapons, the British East India Company was extending its power in 18th century India. Okay, so what does it mean by superior weapon? That is what we have to write in the question number 2 based on comprehension check. My dear students, especially when if we just recall in the lessons that I have told to you, the Britishers came to India for doing their business. Okay, they were all the traders and they came to India not for the ruling purpose but for the trading purpose they had come. But later on, when they saw in India the kings are fighting among themselves, then the British also took the opportunity to defeat the other king and just occupy or take place in at least one kingdom. Okay, and slowly they followed that method, and finally they had captured whole of India. Okay, for example, here you can see the picture India 1765, and red color you can see yellow color you can see Indian princes. Okay, and then the other color you can see the Britishers, how much it was. But as it went on slowly British had captured whole of India. That here you can see about 1856 how the British had captured India. So here the question is that in picture 2, what do you understand by the company's superior weapons? Okay, so my dear students, here the question number is given a little wrongly, so don't mind, you just see in your book and try to write down their answers. Okay, question number is given here and there, it is थोड़ा सा इधर उधर है क्वेश्चन नंबर, तो क्वेश्चन नंबर में उतना ध्यान मत दो, क्वेश्चन के ऊपर ध्यान दो और उसका आंसर को लिखो. Okay, so what it says, the question number 2 in our textbook. In picture 2, what do you understand by the company's superior weapons? Okay, यहाँ पे ये दिया हुआ है. Technologically, the East India Company was far superior to the Indian princes, who were constantly at war with each other. And the Englishman had access to better quality weapons. This prompted the Indian princes to seek their help in their fights. These internal rivalries helped the East India Company subdue the Indian princes one by one and finally gain control over the whole of India. You see, what does it mean by superior weapons? In those times, when the Indian princes were there, Indian kings were there, they did not have much developed weapons. For example, guns and all other things were not there with the Indian princes. It was there, but it was not that of developed or not that of modern. Okay, but with the Britishers, lots of weapons were there. Technologically, East India had already developed. So they were already civilized person, as to say. Okay, so therefore they are from the developing countries and all this, and they have lots of weapons, and that weapons attracted the Indian princes as they were fighting with each other, and they seek the help from the Britishers, seek the help from the East India Company. Okay, please come and help us to defeat our neighboring king. And that way the Britishers also came forward with their weapons and helped the king. Okay, and as they are helping the king, slowly they are taking all the power in their hand. Okay, with the conditions, with the promises they forced the kings to make with them, and that had to be fulfilled later on. Okay, so that is what question number 2 it says. Now let us see next question. So here is the next question. In our textbook, it is a question number 3. Okay, as I told you, the question number is little here and there, so don't be confused with the number of the question here as I am showing you the answers. Okay, but you just follow your textbook as I told you previous question. Okay, so here what is the question number 3 in our textbook? Who is an artisan? Who is an artisan? Why do you think artisans suffered? Who is an artisan and why do you think the artisans suffered? आर्टिसन कौन है और क्या लगता है आपको, वो क्यों सफरिंग हो रहे थे, क्यों उनके जीवन में, क्यों उनके लाइफ में बहुत सारे रुकावट आई. ओके, और वो हम कहाँ पे पाएंगे? पिक्चर 3 में हम पाएंगे कि कौन आर्टिसंस थे. यहाँ पे हमने देखा था लेसन्स में भी कि ये जो आर्टिसंस वगैरह लोग जो थे डेली वर्कर्स थे, अपने हाथ से कपड़े बनाते थे और बहुत सारे चीज करते थे, बहुत अलग अलग हाउस होल्ड्स बनाते थे. ओके, और उनका जो जब वो अपने मेहनत से बना रहे थे, जब वो अपने हाथ से खुद परिश्रम करके बना रहे थे, तब उसका प्राइस भी वो ज्यादा लेते थे. लेकिन वहां पे एक चीज ऐसे हुई कि ये जो और ब्रिटिशर्स जो है वो अपने कंट्री में रॉ मटेरियल्स लेकर जाते हैं हमारे कंट्री से और उसको मैन्युफैक्चर करते हैं। किसके जरिए से? मशीन्स, टेक्नोलॉजी के जरिए से वो मैन्युफैक्चर करते हैं, बनाते हैं। मान लो यहाँ से कॉटन लेकर जाएंगे अपने देश में और वो कपड़े बनाकर हमारे देश में फिर से वापस लाकर सेलिंग करेंगे। ओके, तो यहाँ पे क्या होता था कि जितना भी ब्रिटिशर्स का गुड्स थे, ब्रिटिशर्स ने अपने देश से बनाकर इस हमारे देश में एक्सपोर्ट कर रहे थे। वो सारी चीज़ों का प्राइस बहुत कम थी। ओके, और जब कम प्राइस थे ब्रिटिशर्स के गुड्स तो लोग उसको ज़्यादा इस्तेमाल करने लगे। और ये हमारे आर्टिसंस के जो अपने मेहनत से बना रहे थे वो तो प्राइस कम नहीं कर सकते। अगर प्राइस कम करेंगे तो उनका थोड़ा सा मुश्किल हो जाएगा उसके लाइफ में। तो इसी तरह से उनका जो गुड्स भी बेचा नहीं जा रहा है तो वो कैसे बनाएंगे, और उसी तरह से बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम्स फेस करने पड़े। ओके, सो दैट इज व्हाट आई हैव टोल्ड यू इन द वीडियो। सो हियर द आंसर्स इज लाइक दैट वी कैन राइट an artisan is a skilled manual worker who crafts items that may be functional or strictly decorated. The artisans suffered because the British were extracting very high taxes from them. They were extracting or they were taking high taxes from the artisans when they were making goods, it says, which ruined them economically. And because of the taxes, okay, they increase the taxes, okay, and why they increase the taxes, we also have seen that in order to do the business in India, they wanted to have more money and they wanted to get more profit. So how we can collect money from India and how we can do the business with the money of India itself? No need to bring us money from our country. That is what they had thought, and they increased the taxes. So because of that taxes, these artisans were to ruin, means they were ruined, means they were destroyed economically. Their money, they are not getting proper money also now. Either they have to pay the taxes or how much they have to use for the living. That was the question for them in their life. However, moreover, machines manufactured goods imported from Britain were sold extensively, which ruined the business of the artisans' handmade goods. And here it says that the machine manufactured goods, and that was exported from the Britain, that also sold extensively, means बहुत ज़्यादा से सेलिंग हुआ करता था हमारे देश में, क्योंकि उनका प्राइस बहुत कम था तो लोग उसी को खरीदते थे, और उसी की वजह से इनका आर्टिसंस का बिजनेस भी बहुत तबाही होने लग गई। उनका चीज़ को कोई भी खरीद नहीं रहा है क्योंकि उसका प्राइस जो है वो थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा है, क्योंकि वो हाथ से बना रहे तो ज़्यादा तो लेंगे ही, लेकिन उसी तरह से ज़्यादा होने के कारण लोग उनका गुड्स खरीद नहीं रहे थे और ब्रिटेन का ही गुड्स खरीद रहे थे। उसी तरह से उनका बिजनेस भी तबाही मच गई या फिर उनका बिजनेस में प्रॉब्लम आने लगा। Okay, then let us see next question. The next questions in our textbook is, here the number is given. Okay, number is थोड़ा सा लगे, अब मैं हमेशा बोल रहा हूँ आपको कंफ्यूज नहीं होने का नंबर को देखकर। ओके, तो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन क्या है हमारा टेक्स्ट बुक में? चौथा नंबर क्वेश्चन है। ओके, फोर्थ क्वेश्चन इट इज इन आवर टेक्स्ट बुक। व्हाट डज इट से? Which picture according to you reveals the first spark of the fire of revolt? अभी कौन सा पिक्चर हमको ये बताता है कि ये जो पहला रिवोल्ट जो था या फिर फर्स्ट इंडिपेंडेंट वर्ल्ड जो थी वो हमको समझाता है कि कौन सा पिक्चर में हम देखेंगे कि इसका स्पार्क हुआ, इसका स्टार्टिंग हुआ कौन सा पिक्चर में? एंड द आंसर इज हियर विथ अस, पिक्चर 7. द स्पार्क्स रिवील्स द फर्स्ट स्पार्क ऑफ द fire of revolt. In the picture 7 we can find out the answer. Okay, and looking at the picture 7 we can say that it reveals, or that reveals the first spark of the revolt. Okay, let us see the picture. What does it indicates? Okay, here it is, we can see. Okay, picture 7, the sparks. Here we have seen the Bengal, specially patients, especially from the Santal categories. Okay, they massacred against the Europeans business or traders and they fought with them. Okay, and then slowly what happened, you can see slowly it spread all over the villages, all over the people. Okay, and then also people came to know about how the British is disturbing our people and how the British is trying to convert the people from Hinduism to Christianity and all these problems that had happened. And here itself, the first picture itself reveals that about the Santals struggle against the British rule or against the European traders, and they started fighting with them. Okay, that is one of the first event, which is the beginning of this spark or beginning of this revolt. Okay, so my dear students, here we question and answer based on this lesson, the comprehension check. Okay, so the first question, as I told you, I have not given you the answer of the first question, and what you have to do, you have to find out that one. You have to look at the picture. Look at the picture and what are the personalities. 3 personalities are there specially, and one I have told you, Lata Mangeshkar, and also the song that was sung by Lata Mangeshkar on that great event. You have to write in Hindi at least one line, and if you are able to write more than one line, and that is well and good for you. Okay, so my dear students, here we stop in this video, and that is your homework, and write down the question and answer as I have shown to you in this video, and don't be confused with the numbers. Okay, so bye, we'll meet again with the next question answer working with the text. Okay, bye, see you.